Officials are still finalizing who all will be included in the next round. Tonight, Madeline O'Neill tells us which essential workers are not included in current recommendations, but say for everyone's safety, they should be. Maddie?
Well, grocery stores say they expected their workers to come shortly after healthcare workers when it comes to getting a vaccine. But grocery store workers and other essential workers like public transit and manufacturers are not included in a state committee's recommendations, which grocers are pushing to change.
How's it going, sir?
I just don't think there's a public venue where more people meet than the grocery store.
Paper or plastic tonight?
To keep these pick and save lanes open, grocery store workers face the world every day.
All right, you saved $9.
Some even with a smile beneath their masks.
At 2 years, I'm the grizzled veteran.
Our people were called heroes for many months.
James Highland of Roundy's Supermarkets, the state's biggest grocer, says each week in Wisconsin, 1.2 million people enter their stores.
We've had hundreds of people who have opted out of their shifts because they don't want to be exposed to the virus.
Many grocers thought getting the vaccine in Tier 1B was practically in the bag until the State Disaster and Medical Advisory Committee did not include grocery workers in its recommendations put up for public comment.
This is not great for morale for our people.
They are shocked that since March, they have done everything they've been asked to do and more, from masks and gloves and sneeze guards and plexiglass.
Despite their best efforts, Wisconsin Grocers Association President Brandon Schultz says it's impossible to completely block against COVID-19.
And yes, people got sick. And yes, people were hospitalized.
Schultz and grocers have sent letters to the state asking them to include grocery workers in the upcoming Tier 1B.
Where's the coupon?
And not just for the workers themselves.
If you're a shopper, you really have to be concerned about this.
You know, we try to protect not only our people, but our customers as well. And so the sooner we can get the vaccine, the less transmission of this virus will occur.
Thank you.
Yeah, good to see you guys. Have a good night.
Public comment for the state's subcommittee's recommendations is closed right now, but they do plan to meet tomorrow at 7 in the morning. And then the state's final decision is expected sometime soon.